This could be really negative. You could start saying negative things to yourself. You start feeling angry, which is a very intense emotion, can be powerful but is very intense, and downhearted, and start noticing that you feel really tired. If this happens to you, then there could be a spiral into further negativity. And the sort of things that could go through in your mind, that you could believe you're a good athlete, maybe not even a good person, when being an athlete or being a runner is really part of your identity, and those two can be coupled together in the heart of a race, and when it's not going very well, and you can start developing some really negative thoughts about yourself and about the rest of the world, and we really want to avoid those sorts of thoughts going through your mind. Your emotions are powerful indicators of your motivations, and they could be telling you to stop. The emotions of anger coupled with feeling downhearted are telling you maybe this is not really worth it, maybe you don't really want to be here today, and that's going to be very, very difficult to overcome. Your physical state is supporting all of this. You're working hard, you're feeling tired, the lactic acid is coming back, or your heart rate is pumping, you notice your heart rate is pumping, there are sensations of fatigue that are going through your legs. These are telling you that you're doing something. If you've got these emotions and thoughts that are also combining with those to say it's not worth it, it's not good enough, people are not very pleased with my performance, I'm not going to be very pleased with my performance, then it's not a very helpful place to be in, not a very desirable state to be in. So do you want to change these feelings? Then yes, they're negative. Click on the button below on how to find out why. Might be that when you have these processes, it's not so negative, but you could click on that, and you can then find out further details of why that will be a motivating process, and going that process, you might then think about some of the ways in which your mental preparation can benefit from some tweaking. You want to consider other scenarios, then click on the back button at the bottom there, and you'll go back to the start, and you can start all over again.